Hey everyone, welcome back to the virtual showroom. Mark here at Hyundai. Let's look at another great pre-owned vehicle, 2016 Hyundai Accent GL automatic, local trade, was leased here. Customer got into an Elantra. We're always happy to get our own vehicles back, but I stress we will take any vehicle in on trade, no matter make, model, condition. So don't be afraid. If you've got a car, we are definitely interested. Car, truck, we've taken in boats, motorcycles. You got it, we want it. So again, as we do a walk around, Accent is a very no fuss, no muss vehicle, very fuel efficient, has everything you need, nothing you may even think you want. So again, hood's in nice shape. Don't mind that little speck of bird doo-doo, that'll get cleaned off. Fortunately, I can't control the birds. So as you can see, aside from that, everything is in nice shape. And open the trunk. You have a trunk lever on the inside. I just don't feel like going up to the door to use it, so we'll just unlock it like that. So good sized trunk. Seats are 60/40 split folding. You can fold, there's the levers on the inside right there, so you pull those levers up, you can fold your seats down, get a little bit extra cargo space. But for a compact sedan, this definitely has plenty of cargo space, and you've got a spare underneath there. Move over here. Rear seats, nice gray cloth. Everything's in nice shape. Power windows to the rear. And jump up front. So you not only get power windows, you get power locks, power mirrors. You got locking rear windows, great feature for the kids. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows. You have an adjustable driver's seat. You can raise it, lower it. You can move the back forward, back. You can move the full seat up and front, back to forward, back, up and down, back and forth. I'm speaking too much here. You've got active eco, you've got traction control, you can adjust your interior illumination, so some nice features there. Alrighty, so let's jump in. Whew. Nice hot day today. Let the air conditioning do its thing. Okay, so let's talk about some of the standard features in the Accent. You've got all your modes, so you can adjust your volume, and you can adjust whether you're listening to AM, FM. So again, that's right on the steering wheel. You've got Bluetooth hands-free calling, you've got voice recognition, and you've got your cruise control, all the tips of your fingers. So all the things you need right at the driver's fingertips, which is nice. You get your trip odometer up here. You've got heated seats. 2-stage, both sides. I'm going to keep those off because I do not want to roast today. You got air conditioning, like I mentioned. You know, your plugins, your AUX devices down there. You've got rear defrost. Good side, good little radio setup here. Let's see. Well, you even got XM radio. I didn't even know that. I've learned something today that I didn't know. XM radio capabilities in this 2016 Accent. So if you have a subscription, you can transfer it over. Or if you want a subscription, don't worry, you can add it to this vehicle. So again, some nice features. Cloth's in nice shape. Dash is in nice shape. You've seen the kilometers, 36,000. Local trade, 2016 Hyundai Accent. Clearly was barely driven, so it's definitely ready for a new home. So as always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. We want to thank you for joining us in the virtual showroom today. It was my pleasure to show you this gorgeous 2016 Accent GL automatic, and we look forward to seeing you soon, and for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.